Welcome to the Vergokan Academy. Today we will show you how to install a low-profile type TSBL3 apparatus cup. This is an alternative to apparatus cup TSBU 4.45.45. Mount the modules 45 into the apparatus cup. They simply click in. Connect the cables into the back of the modules next. The apparatus cup can now be snapped into the hinged cover. Now, lower the completed hinged cover into the recess in the screed and make final adjustments until it is flush with the finished floor. In order to make the hinged cover watertight, you can use this tool to unscrew the watertight cable entry in order to fix the barrel. After that, you screw the cover back down again using the tool.